This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Fuel filter replacement. To relieve the fuel system pressure, remove the rear seat cushion. Unscrew the fuel pump access cover, then remove the cover. Disconnect the fuel pump electrical connector. Turn the ignition key to start and crank over the engine for several seconds. It will either start momentarily and immediately stall, or it won't start at all. Turn the ignition key to the off position. Pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards and support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. With the engine cold, place shop towels around and under the filter. Using a wrench to counterhold the fuel filter, unscrew and remove the banjo bolt. Unscrew the threaded fuel line fitting at the bottom of the filter, again counterholding with another wrench. Use flare nut wrenches on the fuel line fittings whenever possible. Loosen and remove the clamp bolt, then lift the filter out of the bracket. Be sure to use new washers on each side of the banjo bolt when installing the new filter. Install the new filter into the bracket, making sure to align the upper side tab in the bracket slot. Connect the lower fuel line fitting, threading it into place. Tighten the filter clamp securely. Using 2 wrenches, tighten the lower fuel line fitting securely. With the new washers installed, install the banjo bolt to the top of the filter. Using a wrench to counterhold the filter, tighten the banjo bolt to the specified torque setting. Dispose of the fuel-soaked rags properly. After the job is complete, pressurize the fuel system by first connecting the fuel pump electrical connector. Secure the protective rubber cover onto the connector. Install the fuel pump access cover and tighten the retaining screws securely. Install the rear seat cushion. Connect the negative battery cable to the battery terminal and tighten the cable nut securely. Turn the ignition switch to the on position and wait a few seconds to allow the fuel system to pressurize, then start the engine. Check for fuel leaks at the fuel filter, making sure there are none.